Well, welcome. I have gotten to know the nice folks that we're about to talk to. Of course, this is Dr. Jeter. You are with Partners in Primary Care.
Yes, sir.
Senior-focused medical folks that do so much more than just have an appointment for a person to come in and talk to a doctor like you. You do so much.
We do. We pride ourselves in saying that we're not just a regular doctor's office, and our goal is really to make sure we're taking care of the entire patient, making sure we're keeping them well.
I mean, yeah, we can always go in and get 5 minutes of a doctor and they walk out sometimes, but you guys, you pride yourselves at Partners in Primary Care with having a care team. Break that down for me, other than you being the primary physician.
Absolutely. So it really goes back to the goals that we have for our patients. Number one, we want to make sure we take care of their disease. We want to make sure that they don't have anything that we don't know about. And then we're making sure that we're screening them for all age-appropriate things to make sure that we're keeping them healthy. You can't do that with just the physician. You have to have a team to do that. And so on our teams, we of course have our doctors, we have our nurse practitioners, but we also have our nurses that work with patients to educate them about diseases. We have social workers who help patients overcome any barriers to their health. We have clinical pharmacists to help patients understand their medicines. So we just have a whole host of people who help us accomplish those goals.
And it really is a team of about 6 or 7 people.
It is.
Now you do some other things too. It's kind of interesting. Let's talk about how convenient the facilities are. Now you're at the one on East Main in Spartanburg. In the Hillcrest area.
That's right.
And we've got a website. You can go to that and find out a whole lot more. There may be, what, 5, 6 locations?
There's 7 now in the upstate.
Already in the upstate.
Yes.
But again, I was kind of interested in the fact that you actually do, other than lab work, you do eye exams.
We do. We have, in 2 of our centers, we're able to do retinal screenings for our patients who have diabetes. And so there are a lot of things we do to accommodate our patients. You know, we have parking that's accessible, we have wider doorways, non-slip floors, things like that. But then we also provide a host of services like the eye exam. We use our centers, our activity centers, to conduct classes, exercise classes, education on diseases, social events, bingo, just all kinds of things. So we really want our patients to find our centers encompass everything that they need.
And the key here is, of course, it's for seniors.
It's for seniors, that's right.
That's great. And of course, I'm also looking, you mentioned that little separate area. I've been in the one on East Main in Spartanburg. It's a room that you actually, individuals can come in and, I don't know if you rent it out, but there are events that can come in and be featured at your location.
Sure, so they are certainly a multi-purpose room. Again, we have exercise classes in there. You may come in often and meet with an agent or a broker to learn about Medicare and your benefits. You may learn about diseases like diabetes, congestive heart failure, cooking demonstrations. We just use that center for many different things.
And you're growing.
We're growing.
Yeah, and you just opened the one in Spartanburg on East Main.
We did.
There's one, it's either open or coming, or it's combining with the Walgreen over in Anderson County in the Holman Park. Is that Holman
That's
Park?
our last center that we've opened. It's with our retail partner Walgreens. And so again, it's being built out currently, but we have what we call the discovery experience, where you can get the same great care currently, so patients can come in now and be seen by our care team until the build out is complete. So we're actively recruiting patients now.
And that's in Anderson County?
That's in Anderson, Homeland Park.
I know you're in Seneca. You want to rattle off the other names?
Sure. So we're in Anderson, Homeland Park. Our initial Anderson was on East Greenville Street. Then we have Seneca, which opened in June of this year. Come on up 85, we got Powdersville. And then we have our Orchard Park location.
That's where I saw you first.
Yes. Then we have our Greer location. And then we have our Spartanburg location.
And Orchard Park in Greenville is right across from the post office.
Right across from the post
office.
office. I don't think I left anybody out.
I think
that's everybody.
The bosses may get mad at us. You can go to that website and find out exactly where every place is, and get extra information off the web, of course. There's a phone number also. And partnersinprimarycare.com, right, /upstate-SC. It's a little complicated, but that's the way you got to do it to get in there. And again, you can come and get maybe a tour. I don't have to call and be sick to go in the front door.
You can come in the front door, we'll tour you, let you meet all of our people, and just get a feel for who we are and what we do.
Well, that's great. I'll come see you because I know you. We come from the same place.
That's right.
Down in good old Union County. And again, this is Dr. Erica Savage Jeter, and Jeter with a J.
With a J.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Partners in Primary Care. either she or one of the other great staff members will talk to you. Just get that free consult. Go see them.